Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2017 67 Reg Mini Cooper 1.5 hatch. It's a really nice, clean, tidy example presented in the pure black. As with all of the vehicles at your next car, it's physically in stock, ready to be driven away. There are no hidden extras. So as you see, this superb Mini Cooper is as you will purchase the car. If you are, of course, interested in this lovely Mini, then after watching the walk around, do go ahead and check out the description box below the video, as you can check out our website and contact information there. From the website, you can see prices and funding options, along with applying directly for finance from our finance calculator, or get in touch via text message, email, WhatsApp, telephone, all of the usual routes for more information, or of course help in hand with a finance application or just general inquiries about the car. Let's get back to talking about this lovely Mini Cooper 1.5 hatch then. This car has got the full genuine BMW JCW kit on the car then. So you can factory spec this kit on any Mini. It doesn't have to be a Cooper S JCW. You can have it on such a model like this very economical, very fun 1.5 Cooper. So you get the JCW front bumper, so much more aggressive looking. It has also got the lovely JCW stripes right the way through over the top of the car and right the way down the rear side of the vehicle. So again, not only does that give a really nice look, it does mean effectively you've got the same looks as a JCW, but without the expensive running costs and of course the same tax band. So again, cheaper to tax, cheaper to run, but again, same looks. Same for the alloy wheels. So we've got the genuine JCW alloy wheels in high gloss black. So again, that carries on the nice looks. It's a fantastically low mileage, clean and tidy example in this lovely pure black. We will get a chance to look at the interior shortly. As you can see, those JCW stripes go all the way over the top. Being a 5-door Mini Cooper, again, it does make it that bit more practical, but it still remains a very nice, small proportion car, ideal for parking, getting in and around towns and cities. An absolute ideal car for at the moment, especially with the price of fuel. It's a superbly economical car with that lovely, very nippy 1.5 petrol engine. It's got the rear privacy glass, as you can see there. It goes right the way around. And again, if we take a very nice close-up look at those JCW alloy wheels in high gloss black, and we'll go right the way to the rear, where again we've got the JCW rear spoiler. And at the back, the only difference between a JCW rear bumper is the fact that you would have to have the exhaust manipulated and cut out for the centre. But again, it does look the part on this car because it has got those lovely honeycomb pieces in the centre, and over here it has got rear parking sensors, and again you'll see those stripes in the contrast between the gloss of the bodywork and the satin of the vinyls. Boot space, always been a bit of an issue for Minis, but this car does offer really good boot space for the size of the car. You can also fold the seats down as well. This car has got, again, a BMW accessory of both front and rear dash cameras. So again, that will help lower the insurance should you go ahead and tell them that you are and have got those installed. They are, again, a proper BMW accessory, and they were installed from new in this car. As again, you can see everything looking really exceptionally clean and tidy on this car. It's not even covered 20,000 miles yet. So all in very nice, clean, tidy condition. If we check out the interior for the first time, it's full cloth, and you've got this really nice mixture of the black outers with the textured centres. It's very good space back here. It's all Isofix ready, and you have got good headroom, leg room. So again, ideal. Another nice little feature is the JCW sill kick plates. You can see both the rear doors and front doors, which we'll check out now. As you can see, John Cooper work sill kick plates. Really nice little details. Even on the stitching, you get a little bit of red, which again works nicely with the JCW extras on this car. It is a manual vehicle, which would be my preference for a car like this. It's just much more engaging for a smaller engine petrol. Gives you that much more original feeling from the Mini's heritage, of course. You have also got the black bezels around the headlights, again another factory feature. And if we go through and take a seat inside, we'll get the car started up, show you a couple of the interior functions and features. And again, for a car of its size, it does feel supremely spacious in here. You've got all of the nice mod cons that you would want. As I mentioned, not even covered 20,000 miles yet, just over 19,000. You have got a nice digital speedo. Once we go through the different menus, as you can see there, we have got dual auto climate control with a nice ice cold air conditioning. You get this lovely red stop start little switch. It's a keyless go system. As you can see, that is actually the key. Again, nice little JCW touch there. It's got Bluetooth telephone, DAB audio, as well as you've got AUX, USB and Bluetooth line-in. If we check out the servicing information, service status menu, again, a car that hasn't even covered 20,000 miles yet, it's not going to have had to have many services. It's not due one for 15,000 miles. 3 recorded services, all with BMW. You can also change the lighting in here for different colours. Plenty to choose from. As you can see, you can go right away through the colour spectrum there. So again, just those little touches always do make the interior of the car feel that little bit different. Really nice, funky Mini Cooper 1.5. It's going to be really cheap to run, cheap to tax, generally cheap to insure. Plus, of course, you've got those added extras of the dash cams to help bring the insurance group down. And as I've mentioned, you have got the added bonus as this car effectively does look exactly the same as a John Cooper Works Mini, but of course it hasn't got the expensive running costs, it hasn't got the expensive insurance costs, but it looks the same and drives exactly the same. It's got the funky characteristics of one of those more expensive to drive and own Minis, but with the lower running costs, and it drives exactly the same. It's still very fun, very perky to drive. If you'd like to know more information, as I began with saying, do check out the description box. From everybody here at Your Next Car, thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.